Welcome to the Stencilease Custom Stencil Designer. With this easy-to-use application, you can create your own creative text layout. Simply enter your text. Select one of our many fonts. Choose a letter height option. Decide on your text alignment. Then select your material. After designing your stencil, take a minute to check for spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and styling of your stencil before approving your artwork. We offer quantity discounts for our custom stencils. Add your custom stencil to the cart, check out, and your custom stencil will be cut and shipped within 7 to 10 business days. Please call if you need this process expedited to 24 hours for an additional fee. For more complex graphics and lettering, you may submit your own artwork, and our stencil design team will get you a quote. Thank you for shopping with Stencilease.com, your source for stencils.